I will never see the theory of evolution the same way after learning who could actually replace it. The qualifications are strict, almost impossible, but there's someone who fits every single one. To truly falsify and replace the theory of evolution, you need more than just curiosity, you need expertise. First, this person must truly understand real science, how evidence is gathered, tested, and challenged. Second, they have to master the scientific method, the backbone of discovery. Third, they need deep knowledge about intelligence versus non-intelligence, what makes something purposeful and what doesn't. Fourth, they must know how to apply intelligence to scientific questions, seeing past randomness to the heart of nature's design. Fifth, they must dig down to the very roots of evolution theory, not just its surface ideas. And finally, they must see reality in the biological world as it actually is, not as textbooks claim. Out of everyone, only Edgar Alberto Postrado checks every single box. When it comes to challenging the very foundation of evolution, he's not just qualified, he's one of a kind.